Grayson, what's the name of this book? If you give a dog a donut. Okay. If you give a dog a donut. If you give a dog a donut, he'll want some
Juice.
apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll
Pick it up.
drink it all up.
Pick it all up.
Then he'll ask for some more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick some
Apples.
apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of
Maple.
baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. That's right. Of course, he'll also need he'll need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. That's right. He'll hit a home run. He'll do a